So a lot of people in the comments have been asking for a tutorial on how to make images into an SVG so you can then print them on your printer. So let's show you how. So head over to your computer and open Google, and so I'm just going to download an SVG from online. SVG REPO is a good place to get SVGs from. So we can scroll down and we've got a few symbols. I'm just going to choose a really simple SVG symbol. Oh no, I'm going to actually show you how to do this from a JPEG into an SVG. After this, I'm just going to show you how to put an SVG into Bambu Studio. Then after we've done that, I'll show you how to turn a JPEG into an SVG, so you can basically print your pictures then. So you're going to go ahead and open up Bambu Studio, open a new project, just click on prepare. I'm just going to cancel that. Just click on prepare over there, open your file explorer over on this screen, head over to your, where's the mouse gone, dear me, head over to your downloads, get your latest download, which is the PNG, and just drag it all the way into the slicer and drop it in there, and there you have it. That is currently in yellow PLA. You can downsize it up there, and there we go, you've got your SVG. But now let's show you how you can get a JPEG into an SVG. So we're just going to search up something like car silhouette. We'll put that as a JPEG, so you know. So here's a nice simple car. We'll download that there, save that in there. Then you're going to want to go ahead and just type JPEG to SVG, and the website is convertio.co. And that's it. All you need to do is choose your files, click on your car or whatever you want to do. Make sure it is from JPEG to SVG, so click on there, go to image, and then it will be selected on SVG. Probably just click convert. There we go. Now you can click on download, and then it has appeared over there in your downloads folder. So get that. We'll just delete this one here. Delete that. Now we're going to get this SVG, drag that in, and there we have it. So now you can put your images in, twist it around, do what you want with it. So now you can make your images into 3D prints. If you made it this far, do consider subscribing. I'll see you next time. And if you've got any more tutorials that you want to see, drop a comment and I can definitely get them done. Maybe even today if you comment today.